Hello guys, so today we continue our user list to add some additional functionality of edit users and delete users. So let's go to code. First we have to add some icons here at the trading of list tile. So from there we can edit or delete. So where we can add in list tile we have a and trailing we have a container, so we have a container, and in container, because we have uh, two icons, so we use row. In container we have child. In child we have a row, and in row we have children, and children we have two. I have used two icons, so icon button one, uh, icon button one, and in icon button one we use icons dot edit, and second icon button we use icons dot delete. So there's two items. So we just choose color for delete. Color of delete is red. Okay. And colors for delete is green. So let's. Oh, this is icon button. So we have this icon button. Icon button. We use icon. So here, this is not here. This is the functions where we have add some values for letters. Then we have used two icons. Just rebuild our app. Then what is happening? The icons are so very, it's okay, we have to use expanded because it's the list style, so we use widget expanded here and expanded wrap with widget expanded. So let's what happened, it's expanded, but containers widgets, I think we have to give a widget width of containers, so we give 100. I think it's work better, so I think 80 is better. So yeah, it's look better. So now we have to use edit buttons and delete button. In edit we have to want to edit our names, and in delete we want to delete a list. So let's start. First we have to delete. Then in delete, what we do, just we type set state, because every time we want to set state. So then user list dot remove at index. I think it's work better. So now we build. I think delete is working fine. Let's check it. Delete this. Yeah, delete. Yeah, it's work. So now we have to add edit button. So for edit we want text field. So what we do, we want text field in dialog box. So we use so dialog. In so dialog we have a context and builder. So in builder we have a builder is context and single notation functions and simple dialog we want simple dialog. So here we this work fine. Simple dialog. In simple dialog we want a children which is a text field and elevated button. Okay, I think it's good. In child we have to write a text. So what we text update, we use update here, update. Then in text form we have first we give there some just just okay there some context dot okay, we get a dot of context dot pop. Okay, it's inside it's good. Let's check our code what happening. So we have edit functions. We have a text form field and update button in update. Okay, it's good. In text form field, we have on change functions and okay, we have on change function. In on change function, what we get a value, value, and in value we have a give set state. Then set state what set state that give us set. Okay, we take a variable. So give a string name which is its time is null. Okay, it's good better. So in text field it's set state is equal to name is equal to value. Okay, it's good. Then okay, we have a on change function which every time we enter a key in text form field, the value of name is updated with the value of what is text field contains. So name have a value that is text form field we have entered. So what we do, we do simply here user list index dot update user list index what I want to update name. So I think the name is okay, the name I want to update and with which the name, the given name is a text field contains. So from this name, the variable of name we want to initialize here. So I think that code is better. Let's